Hi, my dear friend. Welcome you to SpeakNowEnglish.com. And this is really one of the excited moment for you to become a fluent native speaker of English. Why I'm saying you native speaker of English? Because whenever you speak your mother tongue like Marathi, Gujarati, Telugu, Tamil, Punjabi, you never shy. But whenever time you find to speak in English, what you feel? You feel very nervous. You feel very shy. Why? Because you are not fluent in English. Your tongue is not twisted with the grammar. Now there are so many people says that English बोलने के लिए grammar की जरूरत नहीं है. No need to remember grammar. But where English बोलने के लिए grammar की जरूरत नहीं है. If you are in USA, UK, Canada, Australia, then grammar is not required. Because from morning to evening, you will listen only English, only English. But if you are in India and if your mother tongue is not English, then the bigger answer is yes, you need to understand the basic concept of grammar. You need to understand basic concept of translation. For example, if you are solving the mathematics and if you don't know the formulas of mathematics, how will you solve the formula? How will you solve the mathematics? Either you will not able to solve the formula or either you will not able to solve the mathematics. Same thing happened with the English. If your native language is not English, then you will have to understand the basic grammatical rules and regulation like am, is, are, was, were, shall be, will be, can, could, may, might, should have. And these all things will not come in the dream while you are sleeping because you born in India and our Indian language is not English. Our Indian language is Marathi, Gujarati, Telugu, Tamil, Punjabi, Oriya. So if someone is saying that you don't need to remember grammar, you don't need to remember translation, they are making you just non-fluent speaker of English. If you want to become fluent speaker of English, you need to learn basic concept of grammar. I'm not telling you to learn all the bigger rules and regulation of grammar, but you will have to understand the basic rules and regulation of grammar. Now the same thing I have given in my classroom training for the last 20 years. And there are thousands of people around the world, those who are speaking very fluent English. If I'm talking about the fluent spoken English, the fluent spoken English means your tongue should be twisted with am, is, are, was, were, can, could, may, might, should have, would have. Because whenever you will speak in the present, your tongue should be twisted in the present. If you are speaking in the past, your tongue should twisted in the past. If you are speaking in the future, your tongue should twisted in the future. So if someone is saying that कि नहीं ग्रामर की जरूरत नहीं है, ट्रांसलेशन की जरूरत है, इंग्लिश बोलो, तो इंग्लिश बोलो मतलब जिंदगी भर आप इंग्लिश बोलते रह जाएंगे, कभी फ्लुएंट नहीं होंगे. अगर आपको कोई एक सिचुएशन बोलने के लिए देता है कि आप कल मुंबई जाएंगे, फॉर एग्जांपल यू हैव स्टार्टेड योर जर्नी फ्रॉम दिल्ली टू मुंबई, तो आप जब दिल्ली में हो, जब मुंबई आओगे, तो while you will be in Delhi, that will be in the past, and while you will be in the journey in the train, that will be present, and when you will be reaching to the Mumbai, that will be in the future. So if someone will tell you to speak in Delhi, what will you do? You will speak present or past or future. So if someone will tell you in the train to speak about Delhi, you will speak in what? Past. While your journey in the train, you will speak in present. And if you will speak about Mumbai, then you will speak in the future. So how you will understand present, past, future? There is only one system, that is called the grammar. If someone is telling you grammar is not required, that is simply making you miserable. Now I want to say you one thing. Our English speaking course is completely creative, practical and meditational. Our online system is very, very unique. Whatever I am teaching and training in the classroom, same thing teaching and training you will get online. And you will get only in 900. And the course fees is 1800. Now you will say why it is in 900? Because you are getting a 50% discount. So in the course you are getting 50% discount, that is a 900. And we are going to give you 5 books. That we are going to give you first fluent spoken English book. Second, we are going to give you fluent spoken English translation book. Third, we are going to give you fluent spoken English translation book. Fourth, we are going to give you fluent spoken English word power, vocabulary. And fifth, we are going to give you conversational skills in English, that day-to-day spoken English. So the first book is approximate 450 to 500 pages of fluent spoken English. Second book, grammar, is approximate 200 pages. that will give you the real boost of fluent spoken English grammar. The third translation is approximate 200 pages that will give you the everything twisted, translated on your tongue like a am, is, are, was, were. Fourth, vocabulary is a very important part. The 2000 words you are getting in the audio video system. Along with that, you are getting a verb in the audio video form, that is approximate 300 to 400 verb forms like a present, past, past participle, S or yes form or ing form. For example, how we speak: go, went, gone, going, goes. Similarly, you will get all the verb forms. And the fifth, you are getting a conversational English. Along with this, you are getting an online tutorial which is completely on the audio video system as I am teaching in the classroom. And within this 90 days, you will find a lot of reformation in your English. So friend, I really feel this is one of the unique and that can help you to become unique in your life. Don't be a crowd people. If you want to become a fluent in English, there's only one way, that you'll have to create your language. Since language cannot be remembered, language can be created according to the time and situation. As I have spoken to you a simple story that if you are in Delhi and while you are journeying in the train and if you are coming to the Mumbai, you'll have to speak in the present, past, future. Similarly, same thing happen in the day-to-day life. And if someone say that, no need to remember present, no need to remember past, speak English, then it is not possible. It is possible only in the USA, UK, Canada, Australia. If their mother tongue is English, from morning to evening, you are listening only English. So what happened over the period of time, eventually after a few months, few years, you will become a speaker of English. So friends, this is one of the best course ever I have been made. And this is the hard work of last 20 years. In the last 20 years, I have been trained thousands of people. And I'm giving you 100% guarantee that if you will do a 1 month, if you will give a 1 month within your English, at least every day, half an hour, 24 minutes, 1 hour, over the period of time, after 1 month, you will feel a lot of changes within you. Friends, this English is not overnight dream come true. That today you have purchased it and tomorrow we can wear it like a pant shirt. It is something which you need to learn as a skills. And English is what, if you are putting a seeds under the earth, if you are doing a farming, what do? You go every day and you watch the seeds? No. What do? We just put seeds and wait for a few days. After a few days, we are getting that planted. English is also like that. Every day, you will have to just preserve yourself as a learner. And if you're a good learner, automatics, what will happen after a few days, you will understand there are a lot of things which is going to be happen in your tongue. And you will feel that I am fluent. So fluency means what? As you are speaking your mother tongue, you should speak your English fluently. And then you will feel from your mind that I am free and I can speak fluent. Now, why I'm making these all things to you? Because whenever I'm teaching in the classroom, I find so many students, they are not fluent. And they have come with so many conceptual things that grammar is not required, translation is not required, this is not required, that is not required. Friends, you met to the one of the true trainer, true coach, who has trained thousands of people for the last 2 decades. And just follow 90 days. Just give one right angle for you. And that right angle will give you the right future, the right fluent speaking English. So I really welcome you to speaknowenglish.com. Join our online program wherever you are and you will become a fluent speaker of English. Thank you very much. God bless you.